Hey, Rita.
Holy moly.
The Tank Move, Part 2. March 12th, 2021. 26 years after it arrived at the highway garage, our tank component of our Veterans and Monument Memorial is on its way, and we'll be moving from here to the Wheatfield Town Hall campus on Church Road. Maybe today, maybe installed today, who knows, but at least it's moving there today. To the left is the original monument, which was installed in the mid-1950s and periodically updated, but that stone over there will probably get moved to the new spot as well. The helicopter, which was a Bell Huey, manufactured in Texas, was already moved to the new location earlier last year and has been fully restored lovingly by veterans and other experts and or experts. This is the pad that it was on. There's some of the upstanding people in the back there who helped make this possible. And this is the movement crew and highway department people. They're going to try to guide this onto the carrier. I have to do it in such a way that the blade of the backhoe doesn't catch in the ruts there. Not ruts. In the moving parts, put it that way, of the tank, the treads. Already got a couple of the films of it moving earlier off the pad and so forth. Now we see the tank being moved along to its cradle. Looks like they were going to pull it, but decided not to do that, and so they're just going to push it. The wood is breaking on the bed. Being guided on very slowly now to account for the slight break there, which could destabilize the load. So they're going to try to rework it. It looks like it'll go on okay anyways, but they're taking it easy. It's not every day you see 68 or 80 tons worth of material being loaded onto a bed.
Yes, that's the way over. mean, we're looking at maybe an 2-inch discrepancy.
But this is the work, a thing to be done. As a couple of my veteran friends here will tell you, a sound of a tank like this moving is an unforgettable, and as unforgettable as hearing a Huey coming down on the fields of Vietnam. And no different than the noise of one of these going through a town or a city in the same place. The sound of tank treads is unique. Is a little different than other vehicles you hear on the roads, etc. I think it's pretty much on the bed by now, and now they're going to secure it and move it along. How deep the chuck was embedded in the ground when it ran over it.
You guys throw them back in the loader, right?